So, I have decided to make my own FPS game in Unity, since that was pretty much the only reason why I wanted to.
Alright, that's enough of that now before I dive cringe. So if you are a dedicated subscriber to my channel, you'll know that about a year ago, I made the first video on my channel, which is FPS shooter Devlog 1. And since then, I made about 7 videos on the same game. But all went wrong one fateful day. After the 50-minute Bloons video that I made, which actually I've forgotten to delete, my laptop was acting really slow. Like, it used to run Unity decently for its standards, but now it takes 2 years to open the project. So me being the dumb person I am, I factory reset my entire laptop, thinking that my entire project was backed up on OneDrive, but no. OneDrive only backs up 1 GB of storage, meaning the entire project, in fact only Devlog 1's worth of the entire project was only backed up. So if you're in my shoes after this happens, would you A. cry like a depressed loser, B. post only gaming videos, or C. wait 1 year until you randomly get motivation to work on the project? Choose your answer in the comments. Don't actually, I'm joking. Well, the answer is all of the above, idiot. So that's what this video is meant to be. This video is now meant to be the new series of my new game, Project Robot Game Sussy Devlog X Model 3 Cybertruck S, I don't know anymore. You should probably call it 999 now because this game is going to be very bad. So this is the introduction to making my character controller for my new dream game. So the first thing I did when I opened up Unity wasn't adding the bean, no. I spent 30 minutes designing a terrible sandbox map just to test out all the features. Then as always, I went into the asset store, downloaded some of the standard assets, and then imported the rigid body FPS controller. Here's a pro tip for any new game devs. If you're lazy like me, don't write your own character controller. No, just borrow other people's code for their character controllers. Anyway, next I decided to get a pew pew gun working, so now I can commit federal crimes in the metaverse. And that's when I realized, hey, if this is supposed to be a Carlson copy, then it's got to have wall running. And that's how I spent another hour creating a map just to test wall running. And then that's how I made the wall running script. And if you want to make it yourself, you should probably follow the tutorial I watched by Dave on his movement script series. So go check that out, I put a link to his video in the description. Anyway, after implementing all the essential quality of life features, I decided to make a pickup controller for my gun. So now you can throw it and pick it up. And I kid you not, this is the first time I've ever written code for a game that wasn't buggy on first instance. After that, I decided to create a new map just to play on. Now you see, I wanted to release a demo, which, spoiler alert, I'm not gonna do in this video but on the next video. But I wanted to create a map that would be both fun and include most of the features. So I spent another hour doing level design, and I finally put together this map. Alright, this may sound strange, but I was just playing Minecraft, and then some realization came to my mind like, yo, what if I add controller inputs? And then that's how I spent another 6 hours trying to adapt the entire control scheme to work with the controller. So now you can slide, run, shoot, jump, look around, and move around in the game with a controller. After that, I decided to play the game and to see how fun it was with the controller. And oh boy, it's pretty good. Anyway, that's the progress I've made into my game so far. In the next video, I'll be working on modeling and actually making my game look good. So that's the end of this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And remember, no matter what your mom says, keep gaming.